The Chevrolet Camaro, an iconic American muscle car, has undergone significant evolution since its debut in 1966. Its story is not only about performance and style, but also about how the Camaro adapted to cultural, economic, and technological changes over the decades. First generation, 1967 to 1969. The Camaro was introduced to compete with Ford's Mustang, which had revolutionized the muscle car segment in 1964. The first generation Camaro was built on the GM F-body platform and came with a range of options, including coupe and convertible body styles. The base model was a simple, affordable car, but it quickly became known for its powerful engines and aggressive design. Notably, the 1969 Camaro introduced the Z/28 model, designed for racing, which became a legend in its own right. Second generation, 1970 to 1981. The second generation Camaro marked a departure from the original design, growing in size and becoming more refined. The styling was influenced by the Chevrolet Corvette, with a lower and longer profile. During this era, the Camaro faced the oil crises of the 1970s and stricter emission regulations, which led to a reduction in engine power. Despite this, the Camaro's muscle car reputation remained, especially with the introduction of the IROC in the 1980s, which was designed to appeal to performance enthusiasts. Third generation, 1982 to 1992. The third generation of the Camaro represented a significant leap in technology, with GM introducing a more aerodynamic and modern design. The car also became more fuel efficient, a direct response to the economic conditions of the early 1980s. One hidden fact about this era is that the Camaro was one of the first cars to be equipped with the new fuel injection systems, offering improved performance and reliability. In 1985, the Camaro Z28 became one of the first cars to feature the 5.0-liter V8 engine, gaining it respect on the performance scene once again. Fourth generation, 1993 to 2002. The fourth generation Camaro was initially a response to both consumer demand for more technology and the rising challenge of Japanese imports. This version was sleeker and more refined, embracing the modern era of automotive electronics. A surprising fact here is that the 1996 Camaro featured a special model known as the SS, which marked a comeback for the Camaro's performance image. Unfortunately, despite its potential, the Camaro was discontinued in 2002 due to declining sales, primarily because of rising competition and shifting taste towards smaller, more economical cars. Fifth generation, 2010 to 2015. After an 8-year hiatus, Chevrolet revived the Camaro in 2009, drawing inspiration from the original 1960s design. This generation saw the introduction of new engines, including a V6 and a V8, with the Camaro SS receiving a 6.2-liter V8 engine. Interestingly, the fifth generation Camaro was developed as a way to recapture the American muscle car market, competing directly with the Ford Mustang and Dodge Challenger. It was also named the Car of the Year by Motor Trend in 2010, marking a successful revival. Sixth generation, 2016 to present. The current sixth generation Camaro is built on the Alpha platform, which is the same architecture that underpins the Cadillac ATS and CTS. This version of the Camaro is lighter, more refined, and more technologically advanced than ever before. Performance models like the ZL1 pack a 6.2-liter supercharged V8 engine that produces over 650 horsepower, keeping the Camaro firmly in the muscle car race. One lesser-known fact is that the sixth-generation Camaro has a more sophisticated suspension system, borrowed from Cadillac's high-performance vehicles, making it an exceptional performer on the track as well as on the road. The evolution of the Chevrolet Camaro is a testament to the car's enduring appeal, adapting to changing trends, regulations, and consumer preferences. From its humble beginnings as a competitor to the Mustang to becoming an all-around performance powerhouse, the Camaro's journey has been full of surprises,